Is your washing machine refusing to spin? Don't panic. In this full fix guide, I'll show you the most common reasons, why your machine stops spinning, and how you can diagnose and fix each one step by step. This 3D animated breakdown makes everything simple, even if you've never repaired a machine before. Let's start with the first and most ignored reason. Reason number 1, overloading. If the drum is too heavy, the motor cannot reach the spinning speed. Remove some clothes and try again. In almost 40% of cases, overloading is the main problem. Modern machines stop spinning if the load is unbalanced. If all clothes gather on one side, the drum becomes unstable. Spread clothes evenly and restart the spin cycle. Your machine will never spin if the door isn't properly locked. A faulty door lock sensor prevents the spin cycle for safety reasons. If the door isn't clicking firmly, or if the lock light blinks, the lock assembly may need replacement. If there's water inside the drum, the machine will not spin. Check if the drain pipe is clogged or twisted. Clean the drain filter. Sometimes lint, coins, or small clothes block it. If the motor brushes are worn out, the motor loses power and cannot spin. This problem grows slowly. First week spinning, then no spinning at all. Replacing brushes brings the motor back to life. The hall sensor tells the machine how fast the drum is spinning. If it fails, the control board stops the spin cycle for safety. This is a small part, but a common issue in LG and Samsung machines. If your machine starts everything but stops before spinning, a faulty PCB may be the reason. This requires professional repair, but you should always check the earlier reasons first. Continuous heavy loads can overheat the motor. When this happens, the safety sensor cuts the spin cycle. Let the machine rest for 20 to 30 minutes and try again. If your drum shakes too much, the machine won't allow spinning. Worn-out shock absorbers or suspension rods cause this problem. Replacing them brings the machine back to smooth spinning. And that's your complete washing machine spin problem fix guide. If your machine still isn't spinning, repeat the steps. One of these reasons is always a cause. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next repair guide.